I am building some floating shelves, simple floating shelves, nothing crazy, just like the little, stud on the wall, pieces that come out, slide it over. I don't know how to explain it, but I can show you. So let's go ahead and get this done so I can start smoking some, I think we're smoking some chicken wings today. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this done. Got all these glued up yesterday, got these screwed together. This will be the brace that goes on the wall, and this will slide over it. They're pretty snug, so I'm gonna hit this with a sander just a little bit, just to make it just a little bit easier to slide this thing on and off. Because, all right, that one fits way better than the other one. The other one's a little snug, so I want them all to kind of fit like that, so we can just slide the shelf over. This is already sanded. It was a sheet of plywood 4x8, sanded maple, so it's already pretty smooth. So I'm gonna hit this with some 220, and then we're gonna stain it. But I'm gonna hit it with the same paper. One, to get rid of these edges, and two, there's some glue squeeze out that needs to get gone. So we're gonna do that, and then slap some stain on them. Once everything's you should go with it, right? I just had to do something because I was going to use was junk, nothing. So it's really nice to look when you use it. There we go, now we're done. Back to yours, and get that waste installed on the wall. Alright, so here's my slight dilemma. We got a stud right here, and that's it. That's all we got. My shelf goes from here to about here, with only one stud in there. So I have some drywall anchors, but I only have ones for like 100 pounds. It's overkill. That scared me. It's overkill. So I'm gonna use one over here. We use this in the stud. It's gonna be a bookshelf, so it's not gonna have too much heavy stuff on it. So I'll do those two, see what it feels like, and then if it feels fine, then we're just gonna send it and just do a drywall anchor and then in the stud on all three shelves and call it a day. So I'm getting all my lines drawn right now. We're gonna get all the holes pre-drilled, get the anchors in the wall, and then get the holes drilled on the little brackets, and then we'll start sanding it. We have it. 3 shelves, floating type, on the wall, all installed. It wasn't too bad. I think it took longer to make the brackets and all that stuff, but this is the first time for me, so it was pretty cool. But I'm gonna wipe these things down and get some books on it. Appreciate you guys watching.